After her own time in the witness box came to an end, Antoinette Lattouf watched on as one of her most senior bosses had his turn. ABC Managing Director David Anderson was cross-examined at length on rules that apply to employees' personal use of social media. This post Ms Lattouf shared from Human Rights Watch prompted her removal from on-air with 2 days left on a casual contract. The ABC has previously said it told Ms Lattouf not to post about contentious issues. The ABC denies it had anything to do with political opinion or race and argues the decision-maker was Chief Content Officer Chris Oliver Taylor, who Mr Anderson backed as a competent leader. But he concedes things could have been handled differently. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. You would like to have seen that there was certainly a discussion with Ms Lattouf to find out the motivation behind what I believed at the time was disobeying a direction, and then try to ascertain what the resulting risk was. I think in the end, Mr Oliver Taylor made the decision that was within his delegation based on the information he had before him. And later, insofar as Ms Lattouf was removed without being heard in her defence, that was atypical by ABC standards. It was. Mr Anderson said including that step might not have changed the outcome. Ms Lattouf's lawyers questioned why other ABC employees weren't dismissed after sharing public statements which may be considered impartial. Mr Anderson said those were different issues. The ABC's counsel argued a trail of emails from executives clearly shows management's main concern. Where in any of this does one see any trace, even a bat squeak, of antipathy on the part of Mr Anderson, Mr Oliver Taylor, Ms Buttrose, anyone who looked at this, to the actual content of any opinions that Ms Lattouf might have had? Their whole focus was on reputational damage to the ABC. Mr Anderson's cross-examination continues tomorrow. Jamie McKinnell, ABC News, Sydney.